Welcome to today's deep dive. We are cracking open a product catalog from HDTVSUPPLY today. They have a 25-year history in audio and video products, so they've got some serious industry footprint.
Yeah, they really do. It's a massive catalog.
Right. And our mission today is decoding the invisible tech that powers those massive multi-screen setups you see everywhere. Think about the last time you walked into like a sprawling sports bar, a modern classroom, or a luxury hotel lobby.
Or even an airport terminal, honestly.
Exactly. Have you ever walked in, looked up at dozens of screens perfectly synced, and wondered how they seamlessly beam high-definition video to dozens of screens without a tangled nightmare of expensive wires?
It's the kind of magic trick we completely take for granted. I mean, we're so used to seeing a game or a presentation look flawless across 20 different displays that we forget the absolute engineering headache it used to take to get there.
Oh, absolutely. We used to rely on these incredibly expensive proprietary matrix switchers. And if you've ever dealt with those, you know they essentially hard cap your scalability. You buy a 16 by 16 switcher, and the second you need a 17th display.
You're entirely out of luck. You have to buy a whole new switcher.
Yep. But looking at this catalog, okay, let's unpack this. The core solution from the source material is the Just Add Power 2G HD over IP platform. Instead of needing dedicated, bulky video cables for every single display, this system cleverly transmits 1080p HD video and audio directly over a standard Ethernet network using regular CT5e or TT6 cables.
What's fascinating here is the sheer efficiency of that approach. By leveraging standard network switches and existing network setups, it becomes incredibly cost-effective and efficient for long-distance video distribution.
Because you bypass the need to tear open walls for specialized HDMI cables.
Right, you're just pushing pristine video through the IT network that's probably already built into the building.
And it isn't just acting as a dumb pipe from point A to point B. It has these surprisingly cool features built right in. It doesn't just push video, it handles native video wall processing, image rotation, and even audio extraction right at the endpoint. Plus, it is completely scalable, meaning you can just keep adding more sources and displays as needed.
One source to 100 displays or 50 sources to 50 displays, the network really doesn't care. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, this exact flexibility is why this tech acts as the invisible backbone for entire industries. Specifically, we're talking about digital signage, education, hospitality, and entertainment venues.
Because the technology molds the building's infrastructure rather than forcing the building to mold to the AV setup.
Exactly. It's a huge paradigm shift.
So what does this all mean? It means high-quality video distribution has evolved from laying miles of specialized, expensive wire to simply utilizing smart, existing network infrastructure.
And you still have hardware, but it's much more centralized.
Right, it's kept completely tidy with specialized gear like their VBS-HDIP-RS1U rack mount shelf.
Rack management is always the unsung hero of a clean install. Keeping those IP transmitters organized and properly cooled on a dedicated shelf is vital when you're scaling up.
It really is a massive leap forward. You trade the giant hot matrix switcher for a clean rack of IP transmitters.
It's a brilliant evolution. And it leaves you with a final provocative thought to ponder. If we are already manipulating and perfectly synchronizing massive walls of HD video over standard everyday internet cables, how might this over IP philosophy soon reshape how all the digital devices inside your own home communicate with one another?